Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, this is the part 2 and I'm going to share to you my most used bag of 2022. So if you want to find out what are these bags, what's on my list, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I am inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start first with my most used bag number 3, and it is my, guys, you are going to be surprised, it is my Chanel Rodeo flap bag. Yes guys, even this bag surprised myself that I have been using her so much in 2022. So what are the reasons I have been reaching out for her is because number one, of course, her size. So her size is, if I'm not mistaken, this is 26 centimeters, almost comparable to a classic medium flap. So definitely it could carry all the things that I need, my trifecta, so my phone, power bank with cord, and of course my Chanel pouch with my makeup kit, YSL card holder. Then guys, also would be how soft and how carefree this bag is. Like for example, I have carried her multiple times, so in 2 different events. So one is like a whole day shopping vlog event and one is a party event. So during party, I was like carrying her like this with me the entire evening because she is very soft. Her material, like, I'm not really sure if this is lambskin or calfskin, but it is a perforated leather and it is very soft and very malleable, guys. And her style could be compared to a Fendi baguette. So you are going to carry her like this underneath your arms, and as you are going to see, she is not like way up here that it's so awkward carrying her. So you have very ample space. So if you are also carrying, like for example, a very huge jacket or coat for winter, then definitely you won't have any issues, just like how I'm carrying her with me. So whenever I'm carrying her like this, with that whole day event, with that party event, all of my stuff are secured inside. So as you can see, if you're going to open, she has a magnetic closure. And let me just show you guys, one moment. So let me just remove this. So she has one huge compartment, as you are going to see, guys. She could be like a Chanel 19. So she is very malleable and expandable, and she has a one zippered compartment at the back, and here up front she has one pocket here. So without anything, so she is very soft, very malleable, again very easy to carry. That's why I super love this bag. I'm going to link, if I could find this on the pre-love market, I'm going to link it on the description box below, guys. So if you are going to ask me if I would be purchasing this one again if given a chance, and if for example we are going to turn back time and I would have the same scenario wherein I did not actually purchase this one, I swapped my Balenciaga bag, definitely I would repeat the same thing that I did before to get this bag, because again, she is not a classic Chanel. So this is the only seasonal Chanel in my collection, if I'm not mistaken, and I love it her that way. She's very different from your usual Chanel classic flap. She's very different, and she actually packs a punch, and she can do a lot for you guys. That's why if you would see this on a pre-love market, then definitely I would be recommending for you to get the Chanel Rodeo flap bag. Alright, for my most used bag number 2 for 2022, do you have any guesses, guys? It is my Chanel. It is my Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 26. Yes guys, I know many people are going to raise their eyebrows saying, why are you using that as a bag? It's a toiletry pouch. But honestly guys, you know, I would always do me and I don't listen to other people. So this makes me happy. I have a conversion kit. I have transformed her and I use her as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody bag. And what's not to love about the Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 26? So if you are unaware, guys, unfortunately, this style is already discontinued at Louis Vuitton. They are no longer selling this one. You can only get this one at pre-love market. So you can get size 15, size 18, 15 and then the size 26. Luckily, again, the story, I was able to get this one directly from our Louis Vuitton store. My CA was able to reserve one for me before this one got discontinued. So what's not to love about her? When I got her, guys, OMG, the price of this one, I would say a million times yes of purchasing this one on the price that I paid for versus the price of the mini pochette right now, which I feel for me is a little bit crazy. So the price is very, very good. She has very beautiful and soft, you know, monogram canvas here. And look at the vachetta. The vachetta is just really, really tiny. So definitely she is a carefree bag and you do not need to worry about her stuff. So she has a beautiful gold hardware here, as you can see. And if you are going to open, guys, OMG, so she has a wipeable interior, and as you could notice, it's also expandable just like my Chanel. So definitely you could fit so many things with here. So I love that she fits my trifecta. So again, my phone, power bank, and cord, and my Chanel makeup pouch with the YSL card holder. If you're lucky, if you are going to stop this one, then you could actually put in my very small umbrella inside. That is why, guys, if you are going to ask me if I would be purchasing this one, definitely yes. If I could also get the 15 and 18, then I would still hunt those. So my recommendation, since this is no longer available at Louis Vuitton store, then definitely get one at the pre-love market. Unfortunately, if you want, you know, rank A or rank brand new condition, unfortunately you would be paying a higher price from what is being sold at the store. But definitely I love, love, love my Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 26. Alright guys, do you have any guesses what's my number one most used bag of 2022? It is my Chanel flap bag in black patent leather. Yes guys, so this is my queen, the most used bag of 2022. I could not count on my fingers like how many times I've used this bag. So what are the reasons why I keep on getting this bag? So number one, of course, her style. So she has two grommets over here. So she is a single flap, but definitely since she has two grommets, you could carry this one as a shoulder bag like this. And then you could carry her as a crossbody. However, for crossbody, it would sit a little bit higher over here. But for me, I love, love, love that style. Then, of course, her size rather. So she is a medium to jumbo size of bag. So definitely, this fits a lot of my stuff that I need for, you know, an entire event. So like, so let me just open this for you. So as you could see here, she has one huge compartment. So she has a zippered compartment at the back, and she has one flap over here. And at the back, so she has this pocket, Mona Lisa pocket over here. So this is a good everyday bag. That's why I super, super love her. And of course, she has the black patent leather. So as they say with black patent leather, she is a little bit carefree. Like for example, droplets of water, it would slide right off, or you could wipe it right away. And number two, why I love carrying this bag, I think one would be, of course, since this is a vintage bag and the price that I got her was such a steal. So I'm not really scared of carrying her. Like for example, if I would be purchasing a brand new classic double flap, then definitely I would be so scared in carrying that. So since this has been already worn in, so I'm not, you know, really afraid in carrying her. So honestly guys, I have carried her in so many events, and I've carried her in different public transportation, and I'm not afraid to be carrying her with me. And of course guys, who wouldn't love, you know, this classic Chanel flap bag look? That's why I super, super love her. She is a vintage bag. Once that I really wanted, of course, as you are going to notice, her 24 karat gold hardware is really, really shiny. Her date of production is around 1996, and as you could see here, she could pass like a new Chanel that has been manufactured very, very recently. That's why I super, super love her. She's very chic, she's very beautiful, and carries a lot of my stuff. And I believe also her structure. I love her structure. As you're going to see here, there are no tenting at the top, and maintain her very good structure. And honestly, I love a very good structure bag, and this one fits the bill perfectly. So guys, if I could again find this bag on the pre-love market. I'm going to put it on the description box because this kind of quilting over here, the horizontal quilt, this is a little bit bare. Most of the quilting that we are normally seeing are the vertical quilts. That's why, again, I love this bag. So guys, if you're going to ask me if I'm going to purchase this kind of Chanel flap bag, then definitely, guys, it is still a big hell yes. So as you know, this is my very first Chanel bag. I got her for a steal. So yes, there are cons on this bag because, you know, when I purchased this one, the seller wasn't able to inform me that there are already stickiness with the patent leather. But for me, with the price that I paid for, and of course I'm carrying her for so much, like adding leather conditioner so that I could prevent the deterioration even more. Her lining, guys, it's in perfect condition. Her 24K gold hardware is in perfect condition, and I would still say yes to this one. And since, like what I mentioned earlier, she is a vintage bag, so I'm not really afraid to be carrying her out with me. That's why I feel that I was able to maximize the cost per wear for this very beautiful Chanel single flap bag. There, so those are the most used bags of 2022. What do you think, guys? And guys, please do comment down below with your collection which is the most used. I would love to hear from each and every one of you. Please do comment down on the description box below. Again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you, guys, for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!